What's up everyone, Technic here. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to install custom themes via the Custom Themes Manager. So, let's get started, shall we? Step 1, we'll be navigating over to the Vita Deploy app. So go ahead and open the app, and remember, most importantly, we're going to press the start bubble as opposed to the install bubble. So we'll go ahead and enter into Vita Deploy. We're going to scroll down to the app downloader, and we're going to scroll down until we see Custom Themes Manager. We're going to select Custom Themes Manager, make sure there's a check mark on there, and then we're going to scroll up and go to download the selected apps. Once the app is done downloading, you can close out of the Vita Deploy application. Now you should see a new application called Custom Themes Manager. So now I'm going to teach you how to navigate into the Custom Themes Manager. So let me go ahead and enter into the application. I would like to point out that this application does require internet access, so please connect to the internet before you enter into the application. So what we're going to do is press the square button to show all the commands. As you can see, it says press right or left or RL or the front of the touchscreen to select an action. You can press the cross or the front of the touchscreen to confirm. You can press the circle button to play or stop the background music. A lot of people do not like the background music, and I am one of those people, so I usually turn the background music off. I apologize, Team Red Squirrel. I'm not really a fan of the background music. However, I am a fan of the custom themes background music that does play on some of these themes, so I do appreciate y'all for that. Then you can press the triangle button to exit the application. You can press the start button to reboot your PS Vita, which this is recommended after installing the custom themes. And then you can press the square button to hide the command list as well. So there are a few options here. We have the apply and install theme option. We have the download and install a new custom theme from the online repository. This is the one that we're most likely going to be using the most. We have install a custom theme from the local folder. So if you have a custom theme and you downloaded it and put it inside of a folder in your UX0, which I will show you what folder that is, this is where you would install it from. So this one, which I can also show you as well, if you were to create your own custom theme, which I will be touching on in a later video, this is where you would install that theme from. You also have uninstall a custom theme, so you can either delete the theme from your home menu. However, this is the recommended option. You also have dump an official theme to the local folder. So a lot of people use this specifically for the limited edition Persona 4 Dancing All Night PS Vita and the Silver Monster Hunter limited edition PS Vita, because both of those PS Vitas had a specific custom theme catered towards those PS Vitas when they were created, and they dumped those themes so everybody else can enjoy them as well. For the next option, it says check online repository for new versions of the installed custom themes. Some people that make the custom themes, they discover that they may have encountered some errors on their themes, and then they've since released new versions of that theme. So that's what that option is for. You also have self default partition to use for custom theme installations. you can actually select which partition these custom themes will be installed to. And the last option is cache and DB backups management. So this is to back up the custom themes. For now, we're going to be selecting the download and install a new custom theme from the online repository. So let me go ahead and select it. It's going to connect, and then it's going to download the list for the first 6 themes for you to check out. So once the download process is complete, it's going to show you all 6 themes. That being said, there isn't just 6 themes. You can actually press the R button on your PS Vita to go to the next 6 themes. Not only that, if you are looking for a specific kind of theme, I'm going to pull up the square menu again, and as you can see, there's more navigation options. So you can press the L or the R button to slide from the front touch screen to change it to the next 6 themes. And you also have a search function, which that's the one I want to touch on the most. So if I were to press let me go back to the themes. If I were to press the start button, as you can see, I can search for a keyword. So if I were to type in, let's say, because I like the games, let's type in Resident Evil. And then I search it up. It'll bring up several different Resident Evil themes made. So I'm going to download this one right here because I love Resident Evil 4. I'm going to press the confirm button. And as you can see, it says press the cross button to download this custom theme. But not only that, you can also see different scores and everything as well. So this is version 2.0. There have been 24,688 downloads. The validation score on this is 40.6%, which they will tell you that there are 37 warnings and 0 errors and 64 valids. So what that means is, for a validation score, they validate that this custom theme is going to be okay and work well on your PS Vita, like as intended. Now, if you see something that has errors on it, I do not recommend downloading. As far as the 37 warnings, it could be a bad thing. At the same time, it should work okay, because I'm going to be testing this theme out right now. I'm going to go ahead and download the custom theme. So once the custom theme is downloaded, it'll say at the bottom, press the start button to write the above custom themes data in your database, or press the circle to cancel the installation and delete the extracted files. I'm going to go ahead and press the start button, and it's going to say custom theme installed successfully. Press any button to continue. So now what I'm going to do is back out to the home menu, and I'm going to go ahead and select apply and install theme. You can do this one of 2 ways as well. So I'm not actually going to apply the custom theme. What I'm going to do is I'm going to back out to show you that you can do this a different way as well. We're going to go into settings, which both of these ways will work, by the way. You can do this either way. I'm going to go to settings, go to start. I'm going to scroll down to themes and background, and then I'm going to go to the theme that says default. And as you can see, it brought us back to the menu where you can apply the theme. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the theme, and I'm going to go ahead and select the theme, and then I'm going to back out into the home menu. So as you can see, it applied the custom theme. This looks like this is a Ada Wong theme specifically, which that's actually one of my favorite characters next to Leon S. Kennedy. So if I were to press the customize button and I were to add home menus, as you can see, more artwork pops up to whichever one you use. And that being said, if I were to click on this picture at the bottom right corner, most of the time you can actually select what background you want on your application as well. So like if I wanted to change this first picture, I would go to the bottom right, go to the custom theme folder, and I would just select any picture. And as you can see, it pops up. One last thing that I would like to touch on before I end this video, when it does come to custom themes, some custom themes has its own custom music tied to it as well, their own custom system music. So to enable this, I'm going to go into settings, I'm going to enter into settings, I'm going to scroll over to sound and display, and then I'm going to check mark system music. After you check mark system music, if your custom theme does have custom music to it as well, once you back out into the home menu, the music should play. Now, for copyright reasons, I will not allow the PS TV sound or the PS Vita's theme music to play in fear of it playing a copyrighted sound. So that being said, that is how you enable that option. I usually like to disable the system music just in case the theme music could have a copyright issue to it, and that's the reason why I usually keep mine unchecked, especially because I make YouTube videos. I have to be very careful with that. Even when it comes to the music that I play in my videos, that's music that I make myself either via FL Studios or I usually use Logic Pro X as well. Other than that, this is Technic. In today's video, we have finished installing a custom theme on our PS Vita as well as installing the Custom Themes Manager application. When it comes to the Custom Themes Manager application, there are several thousands of themes for you to choose from, and also several thousands of themes for you to check out and enjoy. In a very near future video, I will be teaching you how to create your own custom themes. You can also add your own custom theme system music as well to it. That being said, there's a lot of limitations when it comes to that. But that being said as well, I am here to teach you how to unlock all the abilities when it comes to this amazing handheld. So it would be a crime for me not to teach you how to create these custom themes as well. Other than that though, this is Technic. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you really enjoyed the video. I love the Custom Themes Manager and I love playing around with all the several different custom themes on that Custom Themes Manager. And thank you to Team Red Squirrel for creating this amazing application. Other than that though, this is Technic. Thank y'all for watching. If you like this video, please leave a like. If you dislike this video, please leave a dislike. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to comment. And I will see y'all in the next video.